Welcome back on this channel, Bratans. After yesterday's bad news, you have good news from Russia coming in. Russia's largest bank, Sberbank, to enable Bitcoin crypto trading for customers starting this month. However, be very careful because the MACD is crossing the red line, the green line is crossing the red line, which is called the death cross. So this is not a very good sign. However, we have also good news. We will speak, will Bitcoin dump further? Also, I will explain you exactly why crypto is heading more to the east than to the US, and we will watch which altcoins to buy, because yesterday we bought a lot of altcoins and there are possibilities to make a lot of gains. So let us start here with the news of Russia. It's obviously after yesterday's and the whole week, obviously the US is showing us that they don't want to have crypto inside their country. We see the East, Russia and China taking advantage of it. Not only Russia, but we see also the Hong Kong legislators invites Coinbase to the region despite the SEC scrutiny, how it's called. So you see, it's very obvious. If not, US take advantage of this market, the Eastern countries will do it, and the leaders are China and Russia. And this is also exactly in this chart we see this what happening. Bitcoin is leaving the United States, US to the rest reserve ratio, and you see as the crypto price is going up in 2021, we see the Bitcoin is leaving the US market because obviously they're trying to regulate it out of the country. And as I told you, I mean, you don't have to worry about it because some people, oh, we don't want that crypto is going to the east. You don't have to worry. There will the moment come in time when they will pivot and they will say, oh, welcome, crypto, come back and blah, blah, blah. And why? Because of taxes. They want to tax crypto. They will not miss out on these huge tax gains which they can make on crypto. So therefore, Bratan, don't worry. This actually bad news are very, very good news. And as I told you yesterday, it's time to buy. We see a lot of coins are pumping. You see Matic pumped over 9.75%. And we bought yesterday Matic. I tell you in a second which coins I bought yesterday and how much we made, but which coins we still can buy in the perspective that they could pump in the next days, weeks and months. So let us further go through the charts right now. So we see right now, as I told you here, it's not a very good news that we see here. The MACD is crossing. I have to refresh it. The MACD is crossing. The red line is crossing. The red line is crossing the green line because obviously as soon as we see this cross is happening, I have to switch to this chart. As soon as we see this line is crossing, the Jobane road, here is it. You see, usually if they cross, we see a massive dump in the market. So for example, you see it here, we saw the cross has happened and we saw the price dumped. Also, we saw here the cross happened, the price dumped. Also, we saw here in the previous bull run, here the price dumped when the cross happened. So right now, this is not the best news, to be honest. And also what I don't like is the funding rate is still quite positive. You see here all over exchanges, the Bitcoin funding rate is very positive. We want to see a negative funding rate in order to see Bitcoin pumping. So always watch out. A negative funding rate is very bullish. A positive funding rate, like it's right now, it's very bearish. So watch out for this. I don't like it so much. Also, I don't like that we broke down the symmetrical triangle and we confirmed it. Yeah, we confirmed it, yes, but I want to wait till Monday because I want to see how the stock market opened. But technically the price target, as we broke down, of the total crypto market cap is right now here at around 760 billion. And the total crypto market cap is one of the best indicators in the world because, you know, this is how we identified exactly the bottom of the bear market. I told you as soon as we touching here the previous high of 2017, 2018 total crypto market cap bull market, as soon as we touch in the bear market, we see relief rally to the upside, perfectly worked out, and technical price tag is right now around again the bottom of our bear market now, right? So this is the technical price target, and it perfectly fits in with this theory of that in every relief rally, so in every relief rally, in every bear market, we have a relief rally, and then we have another big dump happening, which nearly touches our previous low or our bottom. You see here we had the low, then we had a relief rally to the upside, and then also we retested again the bottom. So right now it perfectly fits with this theory that in case the relief rally is right now over, we could see here dump of around 17,500 or even $16,000 to nearly retest the bottom, but nearly, not 100%, but nearly retest. Also, it perfectly fits in with the price target of the symmetrical triangle, which nearly retesting the previous low, the previous bottom which we had. So let's see if this will work out, but we are still, the good news right now, we are still in the symmetrical triangle, and the symmetrical triangle is a bullish pattern, and technical price target is the top of the wedge around 31k. So in case we are breaking it to the upside, this would be very bullish, and this is a clear long opportunity to 30k approximately, so 8.8% long opportunity or even 12% long opportunity in case we are breaking it to the upside, right? Also, the good news is the CME gap is open right now. So the old market, so the old grandpa market closed at 26,500 approximately, but Bitcoin is right now at 25,700. So Bitcoin is traded right now here. So this CME gap is right now open, and we hope on Monday, so tomorrow, we could see a massive pump in the market. So this could be a clear long opportunity of 2.9%. By the way, if you want, you can trade on Bybit. You have $1,000 for free long position. Just click the link down below, and I would highly suggest you to leave Binance at the moment, not only because this is an affiliate link, but because we don't know what will happen with Binance right now, and Bybit have a proof of funds, they don't have FAT, and they are not the biggest exchange, because you know the SEC, what they're doing, they're always going after the biggest ones, Coinbase, Binance. So I highly advise you to use some exchanges which are not down below, but in the middle, you know, somewhere in the middle. So Bybit is one exchange which is safe, which is in the middle. However, do your own research and understand me, don't hold your cryptos on the exchange. You can buy or trade there, but then for long-term holding, get your cryptos on a cold wallet, your altcoins. So, and we speak also in a second about altcoins, which to buy, but this news is massive. Big negative spikes like the ones you see below, like Matic, Solana, Dot, Atomic, have historically indicated that we are close to a bottom. These spikes are classic examples of a capitulation event. When these return to zero, we will be eyeing good entry positions. So this is a massive news. We see here previous 2022, you see always when Solana spiked negative, Polygon, Polkadot, Cosmos, we saw right after, the gray line is the Bitcoin price, see huge pump. Again, here we saw in November, after the first pump was over, we saw again spike down of Cosmos, Polkadot, Polygon, Solana, and then again huge pump to the upside. You see it here. Again here, Solana had a dip negative, Polygon dip negative, Polkadot and Cosmos, and then again we had a huge pump. And right now what we are seeing here perfectly, we are seeing again same happening. We see Solana, Polkadot, Matic, and also, which coin was the other one? Cosmos turned all negative right now. So this indicates us that we could see the bottom is in right now, and the relief rally will continue to the upside. It's not a guarantee, obviously. I just show you. There's another chart. Pullbacks are not a trend reversal. Pullbacks are a continue of a trend, and we are right now in an uptrend, in a relief rally. Still, people forgetting it because we are still creating higher highs and higher lows. You see it very clear on the big picture. We are still creating clear higher lows and clear higher highs, right? So it's not right now over, so be careful with it. And here you see it historically, 2019, we had here some pullback, then a massive pump, pullback, and then again a massive pump. And right now we have again two pullbacks, pullback 1 and pump, pullback 2 and possibly we have a pump, especially when some news coming out like Russia adopting crypto, or Hong Kong, or if the next week news coming in, China will adapt crypto. We will see a massive pump in the market, and this can be the pivot. And I know right now a lot of people saying, oh, but next week we will see the SEC will declare that Ethereum is security and BNB, blah blah blah, all this shit. But in my opinion, this is already priced in the market. This is also already why we saw this massive dump. If this news is coming in next week, it's already expected. In my opinion, it's already priced in the market. So don't do the mistake and think only because of this we could see a dump. Yes, we could see another dump because we have some more FUD coming in. Yes, this is possible, but not because they will declare Ethereum as a security, because this is also why everybody's worrying and why everybody is selling, or some VCs, right? So therefore, watch out for the Bitcoin dominance chart, because in case we are getting rejected here and the weekly candle closes in 11 hours and it's still not confirmed yet that we are breaking the Bitcoin dominance to the upside, I'm expecting that we get rejected, and then we see massive pump of altcoins, and we bought a lot of altcoins. We see also it's not still confirmed yet. Here's Ethereum against Bitcoin, and we broke down this line, but it's still not confirmed yet. It's not a clear breakdown, so it still could be fake out, and we still could see some pump in the market here. And if we see a pump Ethereum against Bitcoin, it again means we will see altcoins heavily outperforming Bitcoin. Watch out for BNB. Watch out for BNB, because in case BNB dropping below 200, the price target is around $50 till $40. We don't want to see it. In case BNB starts dumping below $200, we will see Binance going to the toilet. And this we don't want to see, because if Binance going to toilet, then we will see the whole crypto market is going to, Bitcoin will go to 15 or even 10K easily. So watch out for this. This is the only big thing what we have to watch out. Okay, very important. The next Fed meeting is in 3 days. It's expected that they will pause the interest rates. In case they pause the interest rates, we will see a massive pump in the market. So watch out for this. Now let's come to the altcoins, which we bought yesterday, and we saw so much pump. So Matic, for example, over 10% did in the last 24 hours. And I told you, bratans, I told you, when there's blood in the streets, this is the moment when we should buy. This is not what I said, this is what Rothschild said. And Rothschild said, therefore, let's do this, what the biggest investors do. So I go all in, and I'm buying on dollar cost average. I'm not buying at all with all my money, but at dollar cost average heavily. The more we are dipping, and even if we are dipping more, I will buy more. So it doesn't matter. So let us quickly go through the altcoins which we bought yesterday and how much profits we made. So for example, let us quickly go down and see here. For example, Matic, we bought at approximately, wait a minute, I go here on Matic. Matic we bought at 55 cents. At 55 cents, we did over 12%, because right now Matic traded at 62 cents. If we are watching Solana, for example, let us quickly watch here Solana together. Solana had a pump of over 5%. I mean, man, it's crazy. It's so ludicrous for the people who didn't bought when it was time to buy. Solana we bought at $14.67, so we made profits on Solana. Let me quickly watch here. What was Solana? Solana, wait a second. Do we have here Solana? If not, okay, wait a second, I show you Solana. Here we have Solana. We bought at 15 something. Let me quickly watch again. Fuck, I forgot it. How much? At $14.67. At $14.67 we bought it here approximately, and right now we made over 4.4% profits on Solana. And I mean, it's not only Solana, it's also some other altcoins. If we are watching, it's we made, for example, on Sui 3.4%, we made on Gala 3%, we made on Engine 4%. Yes, and there are on IDEX, it's one decentralized exchange, we made 7%. So this is amazing. I mean, this is the time when to buy. And there are still a lot of altcoins which we can still buy, like FXS, for example. Engine is still cheap, SNX, GMX is also decentralized exchange, IDEX, Aptos, Pepe, Phantom, Sui, Algorand, Solana, Matic, Fetch.ie or Fed.ie, Arbitrum, Gala, DYDX, Agix. By the way, on the 12th June, we have a next trading session. So if you want to join, link is down below. You can join the Telegram group here. Link is down below. Please only through the link because there are a lot of fakes outside. It's only $100 per month. I show you which altcoins I'm buying, and you have also trading session, bratans. You can cancel every month. Link is down below, bratans. Please, in my opinion, right now is the moment to take off your funds off Binance. Put it, if you don't have a cold wallet, on some other exchange where you want. If you want, you can do it on Bybit. You get $1,000 free long short position. If not, you can do it on some other exchange, but do it right now. Do not the same mistake which you did with FTX. It's not FAT what I'm trying to say or to do right now. It's only about security. I don't expect that Binance will go to the toilet, but what if? And then you have your funds there. So therefore, I would put it on some other exchange. If you want to put it on Bybit or some other, best on a cold wallet. If you have any questions, Bratan, write me down below. I kiss you and I see you later.